Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm journaling in my A6 Hobonichi, so get out your journals or your planners and let's get organized and put down some memories. This was a few days of journaling that I just kind of pushed record when I sat down, and then I'm kind of stringing them all together for you guys now. So that's kind of how I like to do it. I come and I sit down when I have a minute, and it's not always a big hour-long production. So I printed off some more pictures at Walgreens with the Pick Stitch app because they still had that 50% off coupon. So when I put little pictures together and have them printed off on a 4x4, I get like 4 pictures and it's like 19 cents or something. So I love that, and I just hadn't gotten any Sprocket paper yet, so that was perfect. You know how I love my Sprocket. It's not the end of my Sprocket, but I am liking the Walgreens option. And it just makes great quality little tiny pictures too. I wanted to go back and make a tip-in on the day that I journaled about my daughter's first day of gymnastics because, God forbid, I wanted to take a picture of her. And I loved the picture like it turned out. You can just see her like rolling her eyes at me like, "Oh, Mom." She's 7, but somehow that face says she's 17. So I just used some adhesive tape and cut out some of the little jelly PVC things that I had made my jelly cover out of. I had scraps, and so I just turned it into a little tip-in. And that double-sided sticky back tape is from Joann. No, I can't remember. It's everywhere, Michael's, Joann's, wherever. And then I just used washi and some clear tape to turn it into a little tip-in. And then on the back, she actually smiled for me. So I put both of them. I just loved that. It's kind of funny. And then I stuck in, what else? A little sticker of, a Hong and Ding sticker that says, "You can do it," because I was looking through the window at the class as it was going on, and I was just kind of like cheering for her in my head, I guess, so as not to disturb the other parents. And anyway, so flipping over to the next day, I had put some stuff in here ahead of time about conferences, so I was just adding in that the kids had great conferences and that we were really proud of them. And then I had some Hong and Ding stickers, to commemorate the Scholastic Book Fair. And then I am putting in a little Hong and Ding casserole on Sunday because Michael made lasagna and it was delicious. And so I just liked that little Hong and Ding with the dish and the little hearts. I thought it was so cute. And then I wanted to add in a couple more little pictures of my night out on Saturday. A friend and I just last minute decided to go out for dinner and just like some drinks and stuff. And it was super fun and just nice to relax and talk to your friends. I enjoy it so much that I have a friend that is from, like high school days. They like know your full history, and we just have the funniest, just the funniest history because we've kind of seen each other grow up, and it's just hilarious. So I was kind of journaling about that. And then I loved the Hong and Ding with the microphone sticker because, let's be honest, I probably had a little bit too much fun, but that's okay. I've been known to have a little too much fun in the past, and it's always a good time. So anyway, we all just have to let loose sometimes, right? And let's see, what more stickers? Oh, I put a little cheer up sticker, just because it does cheer me up to go out with my friends sometimes if I'm in a little funk. It's kind of funny. And what else? What other stickers? Oh, I put a little book up in the corner because it started out with my friend Susie and I working on our catching up on the brownie scrapbook that we have for our troop in the afternoon. And then plans just spiraled as our kids played together. We were like, we should go out to dinner tonight. And then I put in a little girl that looks like a zombie sleeping, and then the alarm clock, because I had to set my alarm the next morning to go get my parents at the airport. And I would be lying if I said I was not feeling 100%, but it was just funny. And then on Sunday, it was amazing because I had put in the Christmas decorations, stickers, and then we already had all the Thanksgiving stuff, but we put our Christmas tree up and all of that. And so I was just adding hearts and presents and stickers, and it's like a Christmas plus Thanksgiving around here. It's Thanksmas. My husband's whole family comes over the weekend right after Thanksgiving, and that's when we have our Christmas together too. So we usually have our Christmas stuff up really early because we have Christmas with them really early. So it's like a big old holiday combination. And I love it. I'm not mad about it. Yeah, I was just journaling about that. And let's see, what else? A lot of these stickers are from that American Crafts Seasons book that I showed you guys when I went to Tuesday morning. It's probably still there. And then I also linked it on Amazon. But if you've got a Tuesday morning, it's definitely cheaper there, probably. And then I'm just using a red, like mild liner, or not mild liner, fine liner, to just make some little dots all over, just because I thought it was festive or something. I don't know. And then Monday, I used my little Sweet Kawaii Designs coffee sticker book to cut out some of her little characters drinking coffee because my parents were finally back, and so I got to go have coffee with them on Monday. So I put that in because you guys know how much I love going over there. So I put in a little sticker with the little monster sitting in the coffee cup and wrote 9 a.m. coffee. And then let's see, today's plan. I think a couple of these stickers were from a Dollar Tree planner sticker pack I got a long time ago. And then one that says yay, that was from Bloom Daily sticker planner stickers from Amazon. And the smile, I think, was Dollar Tree. So just a combination of things. And then the next day I had printed a couple pictures that I wanted to add into Sunday of us decorating the Christmas tree. So I added a tip in from, this was a little die cut pack that I got from a friend, and I just loved how it said feels like home, because whenever we decorate the Christmas tree, it just feels so homey, and I just love it. And my kids love it too, because our Christmas tree is, all of our ornaments from when they were babies, and they just all have like memories with them. So they love getting them out and seeing all their old ornaments and their baby ornaments and stuff. So just makes my heart so happy. And then I had this Christmas washi from Michael's from, I think, last year. Obviously still have a lot of it because I don't use it that often. Warmest wishes, it's so cute. And then I had some green washi that I added to, kind of just made a little frame around those little pictures. And then used the washi tape around the edge of the page to just turn it into a tip in. And then some clear tape to secure it on the inside. And I'm kind of nervous in the A5, am I going to use as many tip-ins? Because I'm going to have more room, and I love my tip-ins, you guys. I don't know. I'm nervous about the A5. Reassure me that it's going to be okay. I keep telling myself it's going to be okay because I won't have to write as small. I can write a little bit bigger, so it'll still work. I just won't have to crunch up my handwriting. Maybe, yeah? And then I put in a little teacup, I guess coffee cup kind of thing. And then this is an American Crafts from one of the Paige Evans or one of those collaboration sticker books. And I just wrote about how my mom and I went to Joann's and picked out pillowcase fabric for the kids. And I already told you guys about this on some video. Gosh, you guys know more about my life than I swear, most people in my actual life do. So I just put stars and a whole bunch of just stickers there. My mom makes pillowcases for the kids every year for Christmas, and they kind of tell her what they want their pillowcase to be, or, you know, like what kind of fabric theme or whatever. And so we always just have so much fun hunting out the funniest, cutest fabric combinations. It's just a good time. And then that morning we also ordered some Christmas presents for the kids on Amazon. So my mom's kind of taking care of what she wanted to get for them. So that was nice that was kind of all finished. I love Christmas shopping online, you guys. If I don't have to set foot in a store, it's like the best thing ever. And then I put a little present there. So, and then another today's goals. Those were all the Bloom Daily sticker, planner stickers. And let's see, what else am I doing? Oh, I'm taking my Poscas and adding some hearts with my Poscas, because I just like me some hearts all over my pages. I really have no explanation for that. It's something I started doing and now I can't stop. And then let's see, on Tuesday, I was telling you guys how I just woke up feeling stressed. I put a little, I always forget the name of this little guy, even though I know it. What is he? He's a little, what are my sticker flakes? Oh, God, what's his name? I'm always blank. But I have a little pack of sticker flakes that I got on Amazon. Totoro. There we go. And I just liked how his eyes were kind of bulging out of his head. He just looked stressed out. And then I put in another little sticker from American Crafts, and then I love that one with the bear like throwing up the papers in the air like like that's just kind of, when I get stressed, that's how I feel, like just throwing up the papers in the air. And then I wrote stress on the little tab, and I just wanted to make a list of reminding myself the things that I can do to help myself when I feel stressed, which is eating healthy, cutting out, sugar. It does help me. Making sure to get a walk or a jog in, pre-planning and pre-prepping as much as I could. That's why I've been doing my months in advance for 2020, that decorating. And then also perspective, just giving myself some grace and putting things in perspective. Like if I don't get a video out, is it the end of the world? No, it's not. It's not the end of the world. No one really cares, Emily. So freaking take a chill pill, all right? And then I put in a little salad because I had cut that out from a magazine and I just thought it was cute with the little salad tongs. And then a yoga girl just kind of remind me to take some, self-care time. Like that's kind of how my walks are. And then that notes is from an American Crafts sticker book. And let's see, I was just journaling about the anxious feeling, about just the upcoming months. I don't know why it was just getting on me all of a sudden, but yeah, when I know I have a lot coming up, I just have this weird personality where it kind of like sits on me like a weight. I have a hard time just taking it a day at a time. I'm taking it 2 months ahead of time, worrying about things in February, which is dumb, super dumb. And then I put a cow grazing in a pasture just because he looked so peaceful and happy, and a teapot just because it also reminded me of something peaceful and relaxing. And then more hearts. My Poscas. You guys know I love my Poscas, and I will try and link these stickers below if I can find them. And stuff, I know there's stuff that I've missed in this discussion, but if you have questions about where I found something or whatever, just let me know and I will do my best to figure out where it's from and let you know. So I'm just giving you a little flip through of the past few days, and I am excited about 2020 journaling, and also, like I said, nervous, so we'll see how it goes. I hope you guys are getting excited and it's going to be a great year. We're going to make it awesome. And if you're new here, I'm really glad you're here. And I want good things for this channel in 2020 and us all to just grow in our art journeys together. Thanks, guys. Bye.